Saturday of the month. We have a Federal Signal 2001 tornado siren test for you guys today. So let's get right into it. Okay everyone, that was the May 1st tornado siren test, first Saturday of the month at 1 p.m. Before I end the video, I want to say this month marks the 1-year anniversary of me filming tornado sirens. Last year, it would have been April, but they canceled the test because of the Severe Weather Awareness Week test. For some reason, they didn't do that this year in April. That's why the last test, all you guys heard was just an audio recording. So I do apologize for that, but this month we made it back out to the siren to catch this test. The very first test I actually recorded was May 2nd of 2020, which is tomorrow. So that marks 1 year of tornado siren testing photography. So I want to thank everyone for that. With that being said, I'll see you guys at next month's test. Until then, Goodbye for now.